Here's how to make your very own swashbuckling sock puppet just like this. You'll need 2 old socks, an egg box, a sponge, a paper cup, tissue or crepe paper, scissors, a felt tip pen, a glue stick, and paint and a paintbrush. First, you need an old sock. I'm using a green sock because Wally is green, but you can use any colour that you like. Next, you need to turn your egg box into eyes, so ask a grown-up to help you. Cut out the egg cartons like this. Then use your felt tip pen to colour in the eyes in the middle. And now look at that, you've got your eyes. Now we need to give Wally a smile. Take a sponge and ask a grown-up to help you cut 4 small cubes for his teeth. Now Wally needs a pirate hat. Ahoy! Take your paper cup and get a grown-up to help you cut off the base. Cut slits down each side and fold the top edge down. Next, you need to paint your hat black. Ahoy there, me hearties! Next, for Wally's beard. Take some tissue paper and rip it into strips. You can even make a neckerchief with some crepe paper. Finally, Wally needs a t-shirt, so ask a grown-up to help you cut the ends of an old stripy sock, and then you can put it on him. Now stick all of the pieces together with a glue stick. And there you have it, your very own Wally the Welly sock puppet. And you can find more brilliant makes right here on the CBeebies YouTube channel.